Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and it's Tuesday, it's review day and shopping day. We went to the dollar store and to Goodwill. All I bought from Goodwill, and I don't see the bag for some reason, so it might be out there. All I bought from Goodwill was some stamping material. That's all. Actually, stamp pads. That was it. So I don't even know where it is right now. But anyway, let's see what I got at Dollar Tree. So I went to Dollar Tree, and at Dollar Tree, they had this sugar on sale for $1, of course, 2 pounds. I thought that was really good. I bought 2 of those. I meant to give my granddaughter one. My granddaughter took me shopping. Then I got, of course, you know what I bought. I bought my Jumex. Okay, I love it. At night and in the morning, I take my pills with it, and I drink water as well. So, yeah, but that makes my pills go down. I haven't got a lot of pills to take, but you know, it still makes my pills go down a lot better. Okay, so I got 2 of those. I got more of them somewhere. Then I got some dishcloths. I'm going to wash those. Got 2 in a pack, 2 gray ones and 2 white ones. Well, white and brown and blue. So I got 4 of those actually. Then I got spoons and forks. Okay, I'm going to try not to do what I did in that to run out of them and have like 1 fork. Then I got the stickers. These were cute. One says laugh, one says believe, one says dream, one says love, one says inspire, one says cherish, and one says hope. And I got those. Okay. And wasn't a whole bunch of, well, there was a bunch of yarn that I didn't look through because I have a bunch of yarn. But I like the yarn, so I might go back and get it later. Whole row of yarn, which is unusual. But anyway, then I got 2 of these blue ones from my closet. I told you I'm doing everything I can to put things in plastic so it's easier for me. Then I got 2 of these. I got 3 of these actually. Oh, okay. Well, that's good. And these will go in one of my shelves. I have everything, I'm getting everything lined up. Okay? Then, so, ever like wake up in the middle of the night and you're watching television and you want something to snack on and you don't feel like fixing popcorn? And you've got all kinds of things to bake, but you don't feel like baking anything in the middle of the night? So I got some popcorners. I got jalapeno cheddar. Yes, I got Crunch and Munch. I don't munch that much, but when I want something, I want something. I got Crunch and Munch. Here's the other sugar. So I got 4 pounds altogether for $2. And then I got these for Hadia, my granddaughter. And I'm losing my glasses. And then I got some Luigi's water ice. I'll put those in the freezer in a minute. I didn't do a lot of shopping, but then I got, what's this? Oh, detergent. I go out and get this. Whenever I go shopping, I try to remember to get Kleenex and dish detergent. And then I got this, the scraper. I got 2 of them, one in this size and one that fell on the floor in this size. So you see what I do with those. Doing my bathroom, taking my time, but I'm doing my bathroom. But I got to show you the tub, but I'll show you that after I finish everything else. Then I got, because I didn't have the other ones, the tidy bowl, I got these. I got 2 of these, one for this downstairs bathroom, one for the upstairs bathroom. I don't need them, but I don't want to run out, okay? It's not an option for me. Then I got some more Jumex. I got guava. And I got, I think this is guava too. No, this is mango. Mango, because I got 5 altogether. I haven't got to the 5th bag yet. And the last bag I got my box of Kleenex. Every time I go to the dollar store, which is almost like every week or every other week, I'm going to get a box of Kleenex because and dishwashing and some other things, because once it gets winter, and it's coming real soon, I got, oh, this is mango. This is the 5th one. And then I got some ginger snaps. So I will not be snackless. I don't wake up often and want a snack, but when I do, all right. And I guess I could beat a piece of fruit, but that's too much like always being right. And then I bought my granddaughter those 2 sequin pillows. They were small ones, but they were about this big. I bought one for Angel in dark blue, and then when you touch it, it turns purple. And then I got one for Ari in pink. So I got them, but they took them home. You know, they were like, hi, Grandma. It is what it is. Anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to put this up later, and then I'll be back to do all my reviews. So I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. See you later on this evening.